Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In this video, we will walk you through the common reasons why your Cash App paper money deposit is not showing up, and most importantly, how to get it back. To understand these points in detail, we visited this website called Kabbage Loan Guide. On this website, there is an article titled Know How to Add Paper Money to Cash App Fast and Easy Process. This article contains answers to almost all questions related to the paper money feature of Cash App. When we scroll down in this article, we find a step-by-step explanation with screenshots on how to add paper money to Cash App. Besides this, the article provides a lot of additional information. A video is also included to help explain the process visually. Scrolling further down, we can see even more details about Cash App paper money deposits, such as where you can deposit your cash, the deposit limits, and the applicable fees. Now, let's move on to our main question. Cash App paper money deposit not showing up. First, the article explains the possible reasons why this option may not be visible. Unverified account. If your Cash App account is not fully verified, the paper money deposit option will not appear. Age restriction. If you are under 18 and using a sponsored Cash App account, this feature will not be available for you. Outdated app version. If you are using an older version of the Cash App, this feature may not be visible. Feature availability. Cash App does not provide this option to every user. Users who have a good account performance, conduct frequent transactions, and do not show any suspicious activity are more likely to get this feature. These are the four main reasons mentioned. Now let's look at the solutions to restore this option. For unverified accounts, you need to verify your Cash App by providing your Social Security number, SSN. Once verified, the paper money deposit option will become visible. For age restrictions, if you are under 18, you will need to wait until you turn 18 and then create a new separate Cash App account to access this feature. For outdated app versions, updating your app to the latest version will help restore this option. If the option is still unavailable, you should contact Cash App support and explain your issue in detail. They usually respond within 1-2 days and will help resolve your problem. These were the main reasons why the Cash App paper money deposit option might not appear, and their respective solutions to help you get it back. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.